The previous session we did orientating the map. So this map now is orientated. As we can see, the arrow here is running in the same direction as the north-south line here. So this is north because it's the words are the right way round, pointing to the north, and the arrow also, the north, magnetic north, is pointing north this way. So the map is orientated in the correct way. So now what we're going to do is imagine we're at the top of this hill here and we want to walk to this river junction here, and we could imagine it could be a really dull day, or it could be foggy and we can't see this junction from here. So what we're going to do is make a bearing. We're going to take our compass and we're going to put the base on the direction that we want to walk. So from this point here to here is the direction we want to travel, and this arrow here is telling us that's the direction we want to travel. So we put the base plate on any straight point of the base plate. So we could use this line along here, the other side of the compass base plate, or this side. I just prefer to use any one of the edges, and we're going to line it up right through the point from here to here, and then put the compass firmly on the map. Keep it pressed down like so, make sure it's right through, and then what we're going to do then is rotate the compass rose so that the red orienting arrow goes to the north of the map. So we'll turn it until it goes north of the map, like so. We'll also notice that the orienting lines inside the rose will go north too, and they are to be parallel with the blue lines running along the map, like so. So either way, these have to be north and south, or matching the orienting arrow with the magnetic north here. I can see it's just gone slightly out, like so. When we're at that point there, we'll look at the line through here and take a compass reading. So this says 140, this says 160, and it's just midway point there, so that would be 150 degrees. And we need to take that note just in case if we nudge the compass rose, and at least we'll know what the bearing is. So from that point there, we can take the compass off the map, and what we need to do now, as you can see, I'm twisting it here, and you can see the north needle always wants to point north, but so long as we keep it inside the orienting arrow, that's what we're after. Whilst that is in place, we then travel in this direction. In other words, the way that arrow is pointing, not the way this arrow is pointing, because it will only ever point north and you will only ever go north. Okay, so as you're walking you may move around like this, keep those in line, but make sure you point and walk in that direction. It's a good idea if you look along the compass into the distance and pick a point where this arrow is pointing to and walk there.